Hi, I'm Jimeno, DWI Attorney here in Maryland. If you've been arrested for a DWI and you're a Maryland licensed driver, the police officer who arrested you has probably taken your hard copy driver's license and issued you a temporary driver's license along with a hearing request form to request a hearing at the MVA. If you decide that you want to request a hearing at the MVA, I'm going to walk you through the process of how exactly you fill out the form and what you need to do in order to request the hearing. Take a look at the document that's on your screen. And you will see at the top, it says hearing request. First part that you have to fill out, it says, I certify under the penalties of perjury that I do not have a Maryland driver's license in my possession to return with this hearing request because, and on that blank you can write, the police officer took my license. Next you go down to a part that you fill out your name, your date of birth, your driver's license number. Now if you don't know what your driver's license number is, on the front part of this form, the police officer would have written your driver's license number on it, your address, including your city, state, zip code, and a spot for your signature. If you know the name of the attorney that you want to represent you at a hearing, you fill out the attorney's name, telephone number, and address. The reason you do that is the attorney that you hire will ultimately get notice of the hearing, and the Office of Administrative Hearings may very well coordinate the hearing date with your attorney's office to make sure that your attorney is available for the hearing. Next, you need to submit a $125 filing fee made payable to the Maryland State Treasurer, and you mail all of this to the Office of Administrative Hearings at the address listed on the form. If you fail to submit the form and the payment to the Office of Administrative Hearings within the allotted time, your request for hearing will be denied and your driver's license will be suspended. As you can see at the bottom of the form, if you request a hearing within 10 days, the suspension will not take effect before the scheduled hearing date, meaning you will be able to drive up until the hearing date, and the MVA will send you a driving privilege extension. If your hearing request is postmarked 11 to 30 days following your arrest, your hearing date will be scheduled. However, you may be suspended for a period of time between the expiration of your 45-day temporary license and whenever your hearing is scheduled. And if your hearing request is postmarked after 30 days, your suspension will take effect and you will not have a hearing. It's important that when you mail in your request for hearing, that you send it certified mail, return receipt requested. That way, you have proof of when you mailed the hearing request and when the MVA received it. We understand that if you've been arrested for a DWI in Maryland, you probably have more questions than answers right now. You can contact our office using the phone number listed on the screen, or you can visit our website, which is on the screen, where you can download a free copy of our book, The ABCs of DWIs in Maryland.